Hey everyone, so I got a little special video today. This is my father's 2004 Dodge Ram SRT-10, and it's just the best thing in the entire world. So as of today, still 11 years later, it is the fastest road legal truck on the planet, and it's unbelievable. Yeah, it's two-door and I don't think that looks the best, but it's got the normal box, and I love this thing to death. And I'm gonna run you through all the normal parts of the SRT-10 and then what me and my father have done to modify it and make it one of the coolest ones on the road. It's very unique. So it just looks special. I love it. I want to put HIDs in it. I want to change all the dumb little halogens into LEDs and do this and do that, but of course my dad's like, he's old-fashioned. He's 70 right now, so that's a no. Okay, so this is inside. I love these seats. And then subs behind this middle seat. Everything else, most of it is stock, but we have added a couple things here and there. .22-inch rims. Just ridiculous. Okay, and this is the heart of the entire thing. This is the Viper engine, the V10. Holy moly. It's just so powerful. I'll just walk you around the back here. I always thought the license plate was pretty funny. So this right here is the titanium exhaust system, and I'll show you what that sounds like. Oh, not that, that's the quad. Right. Of course, it's manual. Right. Let's go through some of the things that we've done. So, lots of lights. We have added a shit ton of lights because why not? And it makes it look pretty cool when you're going fast. So, these right here are the step rails that were made. We did this in our little workshop here at home. So, these are special because on the top, yeah, they look pretty cool. So in here, there, in there, and in there, these are lights. So at night when you hit a special button we put in and these turn on, they're bright white and they look awesome, as well as at night when you wanted to go on the step rail. And then this right here, same thing. These are just on at night and they look ridiculous when you're overtaken by this thing. Indicators and brake lights right here. And I don't know if you can see this, but the nickname for this is the Batmobile, and you can see right here and right here, little bat ears. And you gotta show off, so there's of course a picnic table on the back of it. Red brake calipers. I just love this thing.